Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon too. Please introduce yourself.
Ma'am, I'm Irene Dosanda. I'm fresh graduate from Davao Oriental State University course of BSB Manager and Business Management.
Why should we hire you?
You should hire me, ma'am, because my skills and qualities and experience are excellent match for this job. Description. This means I can come into your team, have an immediate and positive impact of, and you want have to spend your time closely supervising or monitoring me, ma'am.
A relevant skill you have that will be beneficial to the company.
Ma'am, my skills that beneficial in your company, ma'am, is I have strong communication skills and I am self-motivated and I'm good of managing my time, ma'am, and I have excellent leadership qualities, ma'am, and I work well with others, ma'am. Good afternoon. First, introduce yourself.
My name is Shirley Agoma. I am 20 years old and I graduated my college degree at Davao Oriental State University in the course of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management.
Why should we hire you?
You should be hiring me because my skills and excellence is much for the job.
What are the relevant skills you have that will be beneficial to the company?
I have strong communication skills and the beneficial in your company, ma'am. I have strong communication skills and I am also a self